Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add page number in Canva. If you want to add page numbers in your Canva project, then here's how you can do it. Launch open your Canva application and open up a recent design where you'd like to add the page number on. Now once you end up in this page, tap on the text button at the bottom of the screen and then look for the dynamic text, which is the new feature on Canva where it says page numbers. Simply tap on it and then choose the format of your page number, like how you'd want it to appear on your project. I'm gonna select this second one. Select the page numbers from the next option. Now once you've selected the format for your page number, go to the next field where it says show numbers on. Tap the little all pages drop down and select in how many pages you'd like to add the page number on. I'm gonna select all pages. Now tap on done and then finally click on apply properties to all pages, and right after you do that, you will be able to add page number on your project. Now select another page and check if you have the page number added onto your project. So as you can see that the page number has been added at the lower right in my case, you can go ahead and drag the page number from the lower corner and place it on your desired location within the preview. So that is how you will be able to add page number on one of your projects using Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.